Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to make animated videos using free AI text to video generator. And don't worry, it's simple and you can do everything right on your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, we will start with ChatGPT. Just open ChatGPT and then just type a clear request for ChatGPT to make a prompt for the video that you want to create. For example, let's say I want an animated video about the benefits of drinking water. You can write something like this. Make me a detailed prompt for Google Veo to generate a short animated 8-second video about, and then just type your topic and then just describe your topic clearly as you want. And with this way, ChatGPT will give you a ready-to-use script broken down into sections like this, and then you can even ask it to keep the sentence short and simple, so it's easier for AI video tools to use. Next, once you have the good script as you like, just copy it. Like this. And now just go to Google Flow. And if you are on a phone, it will look like this. And next, just tap on Create with Flow. And then tap on New Projects. And then just choose Text to Video. And then just paste your prompt like this. And then just choose your video model. I will choose VO3 Flash, and then just choose your output. I will choose one output like this, and then just click on Generate. Okay, like this. Let's play the video. Like this. With a few seconds, you will have your AI generated animated video like this. And then if you want longer videos, just click on Add to Scene, this one, but make sure you must to turn on desktop sites in here, this one, just turn it on so you will get the full features. Next, after you add 2 scenes, just go back to ChatGPT and ask it to continue your script with the next part, and then just copy it and then paste it again into Google Flow, and then Google Flow will generate your next animated video. With this way, you can build longer, more detailed animated videos step by step without needing to edit everything manually. And okay, that's it. Super easy. With ChatGPT and Google Flow, you can turn simple text into animated video for free. Just try experimenting with different prompts and topics until you get the style that you want. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!